Today we are going to learn about a dental radiographic technique SLOB, also known as same side lingual and opposite side buccal. Often objects such as root, implanted teeth or any foreign bodies may overlap on same radiograph. SLOB helps us to identify whether it is on lingual side or buccal side by taking a second radiograph. In SLOB technique, as we mentioned, we take two radiographs. First one, a usual radiograph. A second radiograph is taken by changing the direction of X-ray beam either horizontally or vertically, and compare the two radiographs to locate the position of the object. If the object moves in the same direction as the X-ray beam shift, then the object is on the lingual side. If opposite to the shift of the X-ray beam, then it is on the buccal side. As the name suggests, same side lingual and opposite side buccal. For example, if we shift the X-ray beam in the mesial direction and the object in the X-ray film also shift mesially, then the object is actually in the lingual side. Or if the object moves in the distal direction, then the object is actually in the buccal side.